Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Mi 11i and I'm gonna show you how to allow the camera app to scan QR codes at this device. Let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. When we pick this button, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to the left and pick the settings, so we can open the advanced camera settings. Here we have to pick the smart suggestions, and now at the second place we have scan QR codes option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. And of course I suggest you to keep it turned on, because this is the easiest way to scan QR codes at this device. Now you can do it by just putting them inside your camera and you don't need any other app. And we have also short information from the device that this only works when we use the rear camera with standard photo mode, so we have to remember to stay on the back camera and in this standard photo mode. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.